Okay, I frosted my cupcake, excuse me. Oh, this is bad news bears. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, you need to take the Browns to Super Bowl.